Are you ready to ditch writer's block and unleash your creative genius with Shortly AI? In this video, I'll walk you through how to purchase a Shortly AI subscription or a one-time purchase, securely and easily, using Stripe. First, head over to Shortly AI's website and click on the pricing page. Now, choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs. Shortly AI typically offers different tiers, so compare the features and usage limits carefully before making your selection. Once you've decided, click on the subscribe or buy now button associated with your chosen plan. You'll now be redirected to a secure Stripe payment form. This is where you'll enter your payment details. Start by entering your email address, ensuring it's one you regularly use, as this will be associated with your Shortly AI account and used for receipts. Next, carefully fill in your credit card number, expiry date, and CVC code. Double-check these details to ensure accuracy. Then, enter your billing address, making sure it matches the address associated with your credit card. Before proceeding, you'll typically see a checkbox to agree to SHORTLYA's terms and conditions. Give these a quick read to understand the terms of your subscription or purchase. Once you're happy, tick the box. Finally, click the subscribe or pay button to finalize your purchase. And that's it. You should see a confirmation screen indicating that your transaction was successful. You'll likely also receive a confirmation email from both Shortly AI and Stripe. Now you're all set to start creating amazing content with Shortly AI. Happy writing!